안녕하세요. 어서 오세요. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna teach you how to cook a 3-course menu with Korean fermented products. For our first dish, we'll be cooking Doenjang Cream or Doenjang soup. And for this dish, we will need a courgette, a pair of onions, some garlic, shiitake mushrooms, heavy cream, chicken broth, and of course the start of the dish, the doenjang paste.
We first fry the onions and garlic. Once they are cooked, we add the mushrooms and the courgette. In a separate pan, we pour the chicken broth and the doenjang paste. Once the vegetables are cooked, we put them in a blender. We add the doenjang broth and the heavy milk. Time to serve and decorate. You can use small fried pieces of shiitake and onion and finalize with a string of sesame oil.
Okay, so it's time for our main dish and we will be cooking tostadas. There will be 2 styles. The first one is a Mexican Tinga and the second one a little bit more of Bulgogi style. For the Mexican Tinga, we will need the shredded chicken, some tomatoes, onions, garlic, and of course our gochujang paste. And for the Bulgogi style, we will have beef cut in little squares. We will have bell peppers, the same onions and garlic, and our ganjang sauce.
Fry the onions, garlic, and bell pepper. Once cooked, add the beef with the ganjang sauce. Add some brown sugar to caramelize the sauce. In the blender, add the fried garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Pour the chicken broth and the gochujang paste. Once the sauce is ready, pour it back in the pan and add the shredded chicken to cook. To build the Tinga and Bulgogi tostadas, add the chicken and beef to the corn tortilla. To decorate, for the Tinga we will use coriander, vinegar, onions, and a touch of heavy cream, lime, and gochujang mayo. For the bulgogi, top it with the sliced avocado sauce, and sesame seeds. I'll leave the instructions for the toppings in the video description.
For our last dish, we will prepare a fruit salad and we will have an interesting twist. First, you will need some pineapple cut in small squares. We will need mango, walnuts, and our mystery ingredient, kimchi.
First, make sure to let the kimchi drain the liquid. Then cut the mango in small squares, cut the kimchi, and crush the walnuts in small pieces. To serve the fruit salad, pour the pineapple, mango, kimchi, and walnuts into the bowl. You can make a final aromatic touch with mint leaves.
Well, we have come to the last part of our journey for today, and that is trying it out. Let's see how our delicious food tastes today. Perfect. Crunchy and spicy. Oh, sweet and sour. So fresh and sweet, and you taste a little bit of the sourness of the kimchi. I hope you have enjoyed cooking with me today, and well, 잘 먹겠습니다. 감사합니다.